We're in Nottingham at the moment, and last night we went to a gig, what are they called? Chastity Belt?
Yeah. It's okay to be
So yeah, last night we went to that, and then this morning we've been working on a Lil Peep cover. And today we were just looking in some charity shops.
Losing all this gold.
And I just had a sandwich. Spin it. What was it? Rocket and goat's cheese? The sandwiches that we just had?
Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
Hummus and onion chutney.
Onion chutney.
Maybe one of these ones.
And now we're just going to the coach station, and then we're having a meal tonight, I think, aren't we? Artists for dinner. We're eating artists for dinner. Yeah, so we're just dropping Alana at the coach station. It was nice to meet you.
Yeah, it was so nice to meet you.
Now I'm just holding a camera all the time.
In my years, it's a black bar.
Literally, that was why I got it, but it's still weird.
Black, so it's like
It's just a part of me.
Maybe you need to start wearing
Hands
like one
free.
black gloves. You know what? Because we're talking about clothes and brands and shit, I'm going to show you something that I really want. I'm going to go this way.
Okay. Yeah, I just realised I like completely stopped filming. The last clip that we saw was you saying, "Oh, I want to show you something over here," and then we didn't go to it. So now, what's happened since then? I've had a shower, and that's pretty much it. Now we're going to Been lazy, yeah. Just been chilling out today. I want to get some chocolate flavoured Oatly.
Oh, well, so you're going to get chocolate milk?
Yeah, to put with my Cocoa Pops. So they're extra chocolatey, it's the best. And you're going and getting some
A terracotta pot.
terracotta pot.
That I then actually have to paint Atlee Roses real quick. Cause,
Paint?
yeah, there's like a certain yellow.
Oh,
that I
right,
wanna
okay.
paint it. So we're going to go do that afterwards.
Okay. Cool. Let's go.
And Sainsbury's is on that corner,
Okay.
right next to where that charity shop we went to.
Okay.
And I'm going to go to Wilkinson's.
And then we'll meet back here. Okay, see you in a bit. That's the tea shop cafe place that my sister works in. I don't live here, sorry mate. Alright. Oh, it's so annoying. I wanted to get chocolate flavoured Oatly and they only had almond.
We could maybe mix it in the blender with some chocolate powder and then pour it back in.
Ooh. Yummy. I'm not actually vegan, but they are. Should I put one on a plate or? Oh. So do you want this cake? It was dropped on the floor. That's really nice. Yeah, that's perfect.
You guys have been doing loads of work though, like generally.
Yeah, I try and always kind of keep busy. In fact, just before we were leaving, this guy, Barney, sent me some pictures of the next location we're going to shoot his music video in.
Ooh.
Alright. Awesome, thank you.
Oh no, I really enjoy doing it.
Alright, you want to keep rolling?
Yeah. So with that Lumix, low quality is in low resolution, or is it just like vintage looking kind of quality?
Vintagey looking
Okay,
quality.
that's cool.
You,
Yeah, it's on a video.
yeah.
Get ready for Friday.
Do you know what you're wearing on Friday, Gareth? Tights from the pound shop. Like neon green with spiderwebs on them. And like cut them so they're socks and the t-shirt.
A pair of tights.
Yeah, so like you cut a hole in the crotch and then the legs become arms. Floaties.
In black.
Yeah. Silhouette, silhouette, silhouette. Can't remember the first music video I ever saw, but I remember the first cassette I ever owned was Blue.
That was mine.
It was mine.
That was my cassette.
I'm pretty sure we both had one.
Do you remember buying it?
No.
That's
Woo, woo.
Maybe that was his first.
That was his first music video. My first album, it might have been Sum 41, Fat Lip.
Yeah, I reckon that probably sounds correct.
Yeah. I remember I just used to listen to like the music on Tony Hawk's Pro Skater.
Yeah, oh my god, so did everyone.
So I didn't even really buy CDs because I would just play that all the time and it would just be playing. I think I was just watching like a documentary on grunge. One of my new favourite things to do is go on YouTube and search like grunge makeup tutorial and just read the comments of people like, grunge is not a makeup style or a fashion, it's a music, it's a lifestyle. I post comments.
Do you?
Yeah, I got one of my
Do
comments.
you also get really excited when they get loads of likes and they're at the top?
Not only did it get liked, it got featured in their next video. He was like, shout out to these comments. And then read my one. I was like, and he does like techwear clothing reviews, and then he was like, shout out to OnaMadderz, and then dabbed, and I was like, yeah, because then it puts it to the top, because like there's only something, and they have, so it instantly puts mine at the top, and then more people see it, and more people like it, and then it just.
I don't think you should be telling the world your tricks.
Okay, you're not gonna. What's going on here?
Making a cake.
Ooh. You guys don't mind being on camera, do you? Wonderful. I've already. Oh, look at that cake making action.
The tiniest spoon going. I don't know.
Oh, I love rhubarb.
In it.
It's not really my type either, but it just does something for me.
Oh, yeah, stick in that bag. That's a good idea. Stick in that bag. Take a picture of the tiny marrow and the tiny avocado.
How can we make it look?
Hold it really far away.
No, now it looks really big.
Oh, look at this
magic.
Ooh. There's something else going on.
What's this stuff?
This looks really great.
When people cook like this, I'm like, oh, I really can't cook.
Like, I feel like I can get away with it. And then
It's so good.
Arty shots.
Arty shots.
Get back to my dad.
Yeah. It was a brilliant concept, but it was just flawed, like, didn't work. But...
Brilliant concept.
it was a brilliant concept.
I'll show you what's pretty sexy.
I want to try it on. Oh, that looks freaky! Wait, let me get a good angle. I would love one.
But like this.
I think you should treat yourself to one.
We
I literally just walk around with it all the time.
do it. Just having for that long, and then she just he's had him for longer and longer, but just the longer he stayed, the worse things got.
We kind of just like channeled all of our.
He'd like literally be snuggled up and just like licking you, and then you had to put him away. It was like the ratio of rhubarb to...
Yeah.
So everything else is killing it.